Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact source of the transaction so you know where to query. Next, locate the transaction ID, sometimes labeled TZID, hash, or reference, and copy it exactly. Once you have the ID, paste it into a Secure Notes app so you can reuse it. Make sure to note the timestamp and amount as context. This saves time and prevents errors when you proceed to validation or lookup tools. Once done copying the TZID, go to the appropriate lookup tool, the bank portal, your exchange's transaction page, or a blockchain explorer. Paste the TZID and apply filters like date and amount to narrow results. Make sure the counterparty matches. You'll see status indicators and confirmation counts. Those explain timing and finality. If you need proof, export or screenshot the lookup result and annotate the timestamp so auditors or support teams grasp the timeline quickly. You finish by using the verified TZID to escalate or close the loop. Contact support and include the TZID, screenshots, and the timestamp so they can trace the record immediately. If the transaction is stuck, mention confirmation count and any error codes you saw. That tells engineers what to check. One key troubleshooting tip: recheck network confirmations or blockchain reorgs before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.